Bye-bye, clan.
I've got the brakes in the van. Trying to get the van as well. It's road anyway then now.
Yeah? Got a flat tire though.
Outside, I think. It must be something. It's definitely something different, like. Looks better in person, what does my pictures like?
No, it's a sexy little car. I mean,
Well, you come all the way down here thinking that you're going to hate it. What's he interested in that?
Well, I'm not really interested, so it's your problem, not mine.
how much is this guy by the hour?
Family.
That's all right. Yeah.
Family. There you go. This door's open. I know.
I'll speak to us in a bit.
So after the show, I said to her, listen, I'm not wasting my time. I said, my wife thinks she wants a drive, but she won't be able to get out. Oh, she says, no problem, open the door. She's clambered in. Oh, this is lovely. I said, right, come on, get out then. So had long doors, so she had to open the doors wide as she could. I can't get out, you're right, I can't.
Oh my goodness. Yeah.
So she ended up sort of throwing her left knee out.
Oh shit! To get out.
And basically getting out
Well,
on all
I got to
fours.
warn you. You know, you can't get out of these
I
too.
know, that's what I
You have to roll out of these, okay? Because you're literally on the you know, on the
Same thing.
ground. Yeah, I remember it wasn't that easy getting out of this car. But I tell you, if you put some water on this, it's going to come up. I'm telling you right now.
The thing is, I know a guy who
Restores.
well, he makes catamarans,
Okay.
fiberglass.
Yeah.
But to be honest, all I can't see
Yeah.
any rough spots
My-
on this wheel.
My old aftershave. My old magic, Chris.
It's a bit of bodge here.
Okay.